Adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. This is what a lot of people have trouble with. But honestly, it's going to be easy. I can't add eighths and fourths. So what I have to do is get a common denominator. Usually with fractions, we do them vertically, so we'll do them vertically. I have 5/8 plus 3/4. I have to get a common denominator. So I take my biggest one, which is eighths. I see if that works. Before 4 goes into 8, I can use eighths. So my 5/8 will stay. I have to change fourths to eighths. So what do I multiply 4 by to get 8? 2. So what do I multiply 3 by? 2. So I get 2/8. I add them together. I get 7/8. So hopefully it's no big deal. So now we'll do number 2. I have 3/4 minus a half. So I have 3/4 minus a half. I take the biggest one, see if it works. 4 is going to be my lowest common denominator. So I'm not changing it. My 3/4 stays. I've got to change 1/2 to fourths. So what do I multiply 2 by to get 4? 2. So I multiply 1 times 2 is 2. I subtract them. 3/4 minus 2/4, my answer is going to be 1/4. All right, I go to 3. I have 5/9 plus 1/6. I have to get a common denominator. So I take the biggest one, see if it works. 6 doesn't go into 9 evenly. So I work up in multiples of 9. 2 9s are 18. 6 goes into 18 evenly, so 18 will work. So I got to change everything to 18ths. So what do I multiply 9 by to get to 18? 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. What do I multiply 6 by to get 18? 3. So I get 3/18. So my answer is going to be 13/18. I got to subtract 5/12 minus 3/8. I have to get a common denominator. 8 doesn't go into 12 evenly, so I work up in multiples of 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 will work. So what do I multiply 12 by to get 24? 2. 2 times 5 is 10. What do I multiply 8 by to get 24? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. I subtract. I get 1/24. I could do 3 at a time. It's faster to get one common denominator all at once. I take the biggest one, see if it works. Well, 6 doesn't divide into 9 evenly, neither does 4. I work up in this multiple. 2 9s are 18. 6 works, but 4 doesn't. 3 9s are 27. 27 doesn't work either. 4 9s are 36. So I keep going up until I get one that works. 4 9s are 36. 36 will work. So I change everything to 36. So what do I multiply 6 by to get 36? 6. So I have to multiply 5 by 6, which is 30. What do I multiply 4 by to get 36? 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. What do I multiply 9 by to get 36? 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. Now I just do my thing. 30 plus 27 is 57. 57 minus 4 is going to be 53/36. I can't simplify 53. I mean, it's a prime number. I could leave it like that, but if they ask me to change it to a mixed number, then I have to know how to do it. And just remember that this fraction bar always means divide. This means 53 divided by 36. So all I do, how I know what goes into what, just change it to a division sign. 36 into 53. So I get 1. 1 times 36 is 36. I need the remainder. So 6 from 13 is 7. 3 from 4 is 1. So my answer is going to be 1 and 17. Remember, this is a remainder over 36. If I start with 36, I end up with 36. That's how you're going to remember that your 17 is your numerator.